Are you thinking about your wedding day timeline? Make sure you watch this video so that you can swerve the key mistakes that we see our couples making when putting together their wedding day schedule. For the best uncensored wedding planning advice, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so that you'll be notified every other Tuesday when we upload a new video. We have helped countless couples plan the perfect timeline for their special day, and now it's your turn. Number one, we are going to jump straight into your speeches. It's really important that you brief anyone giving a speech on your wedding day. If Uncle Tom decides to give a 45-minute speech and you've only allocated 20 minutes on your timeline, it's going to have a huge impact on the service of your food. Make sure that you let everybody know who's giving a speech that they have a minimum of 3 minutes and give them a buffer time of 5 to 6 so that you can account for the mic getting passed around the room and ensure that everyone stays within time. Ensure that all of the suppliers on your wedding day are well briefed. If you have a wedding day coordinator working for you, they will do this for you, creating individual packs for each of your suppliers to ensure that they can work to the best of their ability. When you're briefing your suppliers, make sure that you only give them the information which is relevant to their role. Your photographer is not going to want to know about when your florist arrives, and your florist is not going to want to know about the moments that your photographer needs to capture on your day. By doing this, it will stop your suppliers from having to contact you on your day to double check vague information that they have received. Finally, factor in time for your supplier breakdown. It's really important that if your suppliers are going to take an hour to 2 hours to break down their supplies and leave the venue, that your wedding day ends at the appropriate time. So even if your venue tells you that you've got until midnight to leave your venue, if it's going to take your suppliers 2 hours to break down and their get out time is 1 a.m., it means that your wedding will have to come to a close by 11 o'clock. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure that you share it with friends or other couples planning their big day.